What do these Pringles cans share in common with a successful book series on Amazon and beyond? And what's the one commonality missing from a book series that fails on KDP? Let me explain. Having one-off publications, you're coming at a greater disadvantage, but even this element that's shared with the Pringles cans is essential for a successful author platform. Now stay with me here. Authors with a deep backlog, it's like Pringles. Once you pop, you can't stop, am I right? But what I'm getting at is with this deeper backlog, you've got more content, which means there's more to consume, means that more readers are going to come back to you time and again. It's easier to market, and you can start by marketing with the first in a series if you have a full series, which works at a greater advantage than one-off publications. This is Andrew Clayton, a relatively new fantasy author and the winner of the Miblart cover design package giveaway we ran on a recent video. Fortunately enough, Andrew already worked with Miblart for his debut novel earlier this year.
I'd heard a few good things about them on some Facebook groups, and basically I checked out their website, and they just seemed like ideal, really, like price-wise, quality-wise, sort of everything I was looking for. And then when I started dealing with them and realized how like communicative they were, it was just a really easy mesh there.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Though Andrew has only published one book so far in his series, he's planning to have the second book launched in 2023. Oddly enough, he ordered the cover design through Miblart already, so he's set for the launch of his second book. Lo and behold, I ran a giveaway for an ebook and print book cover design package with Miblart, and he won. He even admitted he didn't expect to win, so now he's got a problem since book 3 isn't close to being ready to launch, but that's a good problem to have, right? He will have another cover design in his series ready to go on launch. Hey, before I forget, do you want a chance at winning an illustrated cover design by the sponsors Miblart? Then leave a comment with the name of your book, genre, and the cover concept you'd like done. And if you're interested in more giveaways for authors, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss more opportunities like this. We're going to have many more, so subscribe. Another chip? Yeah, thank you. So Andrew's already aware of how to get things started.
We had the basic structure there of how the cover works. It's the MC and some sort of threat that appears in the book around him. So for this one, I gave him a couple of scenarios because for the last two covers, I've been very specific. But for this one, I thought, let's give them a bit more opportunity to show some creative flair. And I'm so glad I did that.
But we had a bit of an issue on the first draft.
When I received the cover, I obviously was blown away straight away. I was too busy going, oh my God, that's amazing. Then when I look, I was like, the ship's got cannons on it. And it's not technologically appropriate for the time period and the setting of the book. And I noticed that the one on the side, I thought, oh, maybe we can ignore that. But then there were another 6 on the back page. It's like, yeah, I kind of need to come at them and say, guys, can we just try and get these removed?
Could Miblart be able to fix this issue? Would Andrew like the changes that they would make? And what's the deal with the Pringles cans? Well, you're certainly going to find out. Hey, by the way, do you want to get a cover design idea that will easily convey your genre? Would you like to turn your cover into your #1 marketing tool? Then you must check out our sponsors Miblart. From ebook and print cover designs to interior formatting and layout to marketing materials, logos, and branding and beyond, Miblart has affordable, high-quality options for every author. They give you unlimited revisions, no prepayment for custom covers, a quick 7 to 10 day turnaround, and 1 month of free revisions after the delivery. Who does that? I'll tell you who. Miblart. Browse their extensive portfolio when you visit our affiliate link at dalelinks.com/Miblart. That's MIBLART. Again, visit dalelinks.com/Miblart to find out why Miblart is my preferred cover design company today. So what did it take for Miblart to make things right?
The course of one email, I sent them an email saying, love the cover, you've done great work, but we do have some cannons in it which isn't appropriate for the genre. Do you think we can get them removed? Within an hour, I got an email back saying, absolutely no problem, we'll get that sorted. And then a couple of days later, I get the proof back, minus cannons, and I could, get back to being blown away some more.
Enough jib-jab, roll that beautiful bean footage. So, do you know the connection between these Pringles cans and a successful book series on Amazon KDP and beyond? It's the branding and overall shared aesthetic. You can see by the growing lineup in his series that he has the look, the feel, and the overall atmosphere dialed in for his readers. 2023 is going to be a stellar year for Andrew, and we couldn't be happier for him. Hey, don't forget about leaving a comment for your chance to win an illustrated cover design and spotlight in a future video. Yes, you should be subscribed, or I'm eating your chips too. Hey, by the way, I've worked with Mibble Art before, and believe it or not, I almost the bed. Yeah, you're gonna see so right over here in this very next video. I'll see you there.